Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to chat in ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to chat in ClickUp, you just simply have to open this ClickUp application into your device, and after that you can see this inbox button at the middle. Just simply tap into that inbox button, and after going into here, you will get all of your chats and contacts in here. You just simply have to open any of the chat where you want to start chatting, and then you can easily send and receive text into ClickUp. You can also create a chat by tapping into this plus button at the bottom right side. This is all you have to do in order to chat in ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.